FYP-academy where sometimes you wanna install Windows 11 on your system when you just building a PC or you buy a laptop. So for example, system that is H6010 MK or MA are the same. Here as you watch, you might have problem installing your M2 SSD or other kind of SSD. Here's the way you install your Windows is to just get back to BIOS by pressing Del here Del. So you get into BIOS, and here on this page just press F7 and go into search section by pressing F9 or clicking right here on search box, type VMD and press enter. So you have three items. Just this item, enable VMD controller, is the target, so change it from enabled to disabled, then click OK and escape, and then F10, and you see the change is done. Then click OK and check your installation by going again by pressing F8, then selecting your flash boot drive. Here you can find that drives are here. That's all. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Bye.